We made it back to camp, and I'm getting the fire ring set up so that we can cook our turkey and vegetables tonight. So we're going to use this 12-inch camp oven. We have a turkey breast. It's a butterball turkey breast, one of those that you buy frozen in the market. Got it thawed out. And then we have potatoes, onions, carrots, garlic, and mushrooms here. And what we'll do is just oil this with some olive oil. I'm going to use some seasoning. I'm going to use this all-purpose seasoning on both the turkey and the vegetables. I'm going to add a little extra pepper. This is just pepper in here to our turkey as well. And then we'll set it all in the camp oven there and cook our dinner. These grill grates work out pretty good. The grill grate for the fire ring, I mean. And then I take my grill grates and set it down like that and use that as the flat space, the flat top for our camp oven to sit on. So I'll light the charcoal here, spread them out, set the oven right there, dump them on top and let it cook. And it'll probably take 2 of these. So the first basket cooks for about 45 minutes or so, especially we got a little bit of wind. It's a little breezy, not bad. And it'll kind of get it up to cooking temp. Then I'll have to refire another charcoal basket there, or chimney I mean, and then dump those on top and then let it finish out. So sometimes it takes about an hour and a half whenever you're cooking out here when it's a little windy and breezy, but that's okay. It's a really beautiful afternoon. I mean, just look how pretty and peaceful it is out here. I'm glad that we ended up staying here at this site, because when we got here we had thought about maybe leaving, and it has dried up. It's not muddy anymore, but it's just nice and peaceful out here. We love it. All right, here's our turkey breast right here. We got it seasoned with the all-purpose and some extra pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over and do this other side here. Just putting a little bit of olive oil on there. There was a little extra fat in there. I'm going to leave that. I'm going to put that in the pot just for, it'll create a little bit of juice in there as it cooks. It's a little breezy.
But it's so pretty.
Yeah, it's beautiful out here right now. You gotta start sprinkling upwind here.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yep.
And then we'll do the same with the veggies there as well.
Okay, great.
Yep. So let's see. I think what I'll do is go ahead and a little bit of olive oil in there like that. And then what I'm going to do, this is a clean towel I just put in my pocket. I really just want to kind of rub it, get it evenly coated everywhere. About like that. Put some in the lid. About like that.
About like that.
Yep. So let's go ahead and set our turkey in there. Got that little bit of fat right there.
Yep.
We're going to drop in there. Now I need to get the veggies ready.
All right. You know I love some veggies.
Yep. Got to get it oiled, get some seasoning in there, and just get it all mixed up and evenly coated. I usually try to do something like this. I know it's not it's not perfect, but it works. It just helps kind of keep from having to dirty up another spoon or spatula or something, you know?
Camp cooking is not supposed to be perfect.
It's not.
It's supposed to be enjoyable.
And the funny thing is that when you cook like this, everybody loves it.
Yes, that's because it's delicious.
It's always everybody's favorite.
Yep. I'm excited to try it with the turkey. We haven't done it this way, so
Yep.
I'll be the judge.
I'm just kind of shaking it, tossing it. I'll put just a little bit more in there. About like that. All
I
right.
think it should be fine if you just dump. What do you think?
I'm thinking so. I'm going to try to go around the perimeter and just kind of build it up.
Yeah.
About like that.
Yeah. It looks nice.
Yeah, I think it's going to work out perfect right there.
Yeah.
How about that?
I was thinking it was too many veggies. It's perfect.
It's perfect.
It's the perfect amount.
Yep. Let's just go with that right there.
Yep.
Perfectly imperfect.
Yes.
So we have not done a turkey like this. You know, we've done chickens many times. I've even done pork, which is good. So it really doesn't matter what protein you want to do. This recipe right here works good for pretty much any piece of meat that you want to put in here. But we both love turkey, so
Yeah.
we wanted to go ahead and cook us some turkey on the trail.
You know, it's funny. Your family and my family love when you make this with the chicken. So
The roasted chicken.
it's like everybody's favorite thing.
It's called roasted chicken with root veggies.
Yeah.
Is what it is. And every time I make that, everybody loves it.
Yeah.
And I'm telling you, it's this Dutch oven
It is.
that helps give it such a great
It
flavor.
is. It is. It's unbelievable.
All right, time for the fire.
Great.
I'm going to do 9 on the bottom. That's 3 in between each leg of the pot. And then about 19 on top. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that looks pretty good right about there. I'll go get the camp oven and set it on there.
Perfect. I want you to know that my mouth is watering. I am excited
Already?
about trying this. I know.
Yeah, it's going to be good. I'm excited about it too.
Yeah.
I love smoked turkey. Abby loves smoked turkey, but this is a nice non-smoked roasted turkey.
Yes.
And it's going to be good.
Yes, it is.
Perfect little camp meal. Here we got some good weather.
Yes.
We've had a good day. We went out there and looked at the Ward charcoal ovens, which was really cool.
Yes, I loved it.
I'm just going to leave it just like that. So you always have one solid ring around the perimeter of the rim of the lid. And then depending on how much heat you need, you add a few more to the inside or even a few more to the bottom. I usually stick with either 6 or 9 in the bottom and about 17 to 19 or 20 on top there. But that'll work. So that'll go for probably about 45 minutes. And then I'll have to put some fresh charcoal or refreshing it anyway.
Yep.
And then I always start my timer so I know how long it's been cooking. Easy as that. Now it's time to drink a cold beer.
Ooh, I think I'll join you.
I've been saving an Oyster City IPA
Yes.
for somewhere out here in the Southwest.
Just this moment. This
Yeah,
is it.
I think it's going to be right here.
Yeah.
So we're about 40 minutes into our cook. I'm going to go ahead and I just want to take a look at it. You can see how the charcoal is just about died out. So I'm going to go ahead and start another chimney full there. We'll see how she looks. Looks like it's cooking nicely. All right, put the lid back on, keep that heat in there. And we'll go ahead and fire off that chimney full of charcoal and just refreshen this up.
He's interrupting my Braves game right now.
We had to mute it.
But it's okay because this looks
All right, let's take a look.
amazing.
I can tell you that it smells really good.
It smells great. Should I try it, the turkey by itself?
Yep. Tell us what you think.
Wow, it's got a lot of flavor.
Really?
Yeah. It's good. All right, I'm trying a mushroom and a potato at the same time.
What do you think?
Wow. It's crazy the way the cast iron makes things taste. It's amazing. It's really good.
Every
You
time.
nailed this.
Thanks, babe. Every time we cook a meal like this in one of those pots right there, I'm telling you, it is delicious. You don't have to do this camping. You can do this on your back patio.
Yep.
Seriously.
You should, because it's amazing.
You guys that are interested in that, you guys and gals that are interested, seriously, go out back, right out the back of the house, and practice that.
I think it's a really good one to start with meat. I mean, obviously potatoes is a really easy one to start with, but
It is a delicious one-pot meal.
Yeah.
I mean, look at that. So it doesn't matter what protein, chicken, pork.
it doesn't matter what
Turkey.
vegetables either.
Yeah.
It's whatever you want to put in there. It's root vegetables. So
We always use root veggies with mushrooms.
we're trying the mushrooms this time because I demanded it.
The last one we did mushrooms with the chicken, and it was delicious.
It was great.
It doesn't matter what you put in that, it's going to be good.
It's so good.
It really is.
All right, time for you to eat.
All right. I'm ready to try it too. So it's good. It's a winner.
It's great. It's really good.
Awesome.